Leisure and event management challenges you to use your creative mind. You will learn how to create and develop meaningful experiences that can really make a difference. My name is Stan and I'm from the Netherlands, and I'm currently in the final year of the study. When I started this study, I was already sure that I wanted to work for an organization that adds value to the world and our environment. So I'm proud that I now do my internship at the World Wildlife Fund. Here I organize events which I have to design, set up and implement from the beginning till the end. What I like most is that I can express my creativity by using storytelling techniques.
My name is Gabby and I'm coming from Bulgaria. In the future, I would love to work in an innovative and constantly changing work environment. And as I'm a curious, creative and organized person, the Leisure and Event Management program is the perfect fit for me. When I was researching university, I was looking for university with a practical approach. For me, there is no better way to learn something than by actually doing it. With design-based education, you work in small groups and you transform all your ideas into practical solutions, putting the theory you learn into practice.
During the study, you get the chance to work on real-life projects. One of the projects I worked on, here actually at O3 in Blokhuispoort, was Sustainability Day. On this day, I coordinated several events to inform people about sustainability. One of the highlights was a 5-meter tall Frisian Trojan horse that was made out of discarded plastics that sailed through the canals of Leeuwarden to raise awareness for the plastic soup. It got a lot of media attention and I'm happy that it succeeded in its mission.
One of my favorite projects so far is organizing a field trip to Disneyland and Paris for 400 leisure and event students and teachers. To design a value proposition, concept and storyline for the entire experience is a real reward to me, because I do not only learn from it, I can also contribute to giving the students an unforgettable educational experience. I really like being part of the leisure and events community, because you study with so many people from all over the world with the same ambitions and dreams. Also, the teachers do not limit themselves to the classroom only. They're really interested in who you are and supporting you and coaching you along your journey. In the third year, you have the possibility to specialize in events, sports or arts and culture, but you also have the chance to spend a semester abroad.
In the third year, I chose to follow two really cool minors at the NHL Stenden campuses in Thailand and South Africa. In Thailand, I stayed in the local community for a couple of weeks and created, together with other students, a program for tourists. In South Africa, I lived in the middle of nowhere between wild animals for 10 weeks and got the chance to see and experience how to run a national park like Kruger.
My life motto is to follow my dreams, and a dream of mine is to work in Walt Disney as a project manager.
After graduating, I would love to find a workplace where I can create meaningful experiences myself.